Now, going forward, we will see the planet Venus. This planet governs element iodine, copper, sodium, and potassium. It is the planet for Taurus and Libra. Now, if someone is suffering with throat ailments, goiter, or thyroid related any problems, even kidneys and bladder, also you see the metabolism defects or disturbances in growth or development or milestone defects, hardening of arteries, obesity, sluggish metabolism, slow mental reactions, rapid pulse, palpitations, anemic, or some RBC problems. These all symptoms relate to iodine deficiency, so you can correlate with Venus planet. Also, you can see muscle contraction, dizziness, swellings of ankles, legs, face, increase in BP, all types of hemorrhages like bleeding gums, piles, infections, rheumatic fever, etc. So, to summarize, Venus governs eye problems, skin pigmentation, teeth problems, legs, hair, aging, aging problems or geriatric problems also you can see in it, and bleeding piles. So when such problem comes, you have to see for 6, 8, 12 definitely the houses in natal chart. Also see for such planets which governs the symptoms. Then coming to Mars. Mars is related to iron. So the content of iron in our body, where it is blood, muscles, glands, adrenal glands, we can correlate with it. It causes fevers, infections, anemia, that is HB disturbances. It acts on specifically on liver, spleen, bone marrow, causing anemia, fatigue, pale skin, decreased immunity, difficulty in breathing, circulatory or digestive problems, even in CNS, hysteria, epilepsy, paralysis. Major symptoms like flatulence, dyspepsia, loss of appetite, throat infection, and tonsillitis. So, to sum up for Mars, it majorly acts on blood, bone marrow, genitals, rectum, veins, nose, menstrual cycles, and causes increase in BP, blood pressure. For the Jupiter, the major factor is silicia. Silicia is seen in each of the materialistic or each of the materials on earth. Basically, it governs all chronic illnesses like growth, behavioral pattern, liver, pancreas, sciatic nerve, tumors, even obesity, calcium assimilations, disturbances in skin, hair, teeth, abscesses, boils, ulcers, atherosclerosis, plaques, diabetes. Majorly, when a person comes with tumors, liver problems, atherosclerosis or plaques, or a chronic problem, C for Jupiter. To sum up, Jupiter to be seen when in obesity, kidney disorders, liver, tongue, right ear, and diabetes. Now coming to Saturn. Saturn seen in complaints of joints, specifically knee, arthritis, and muscular pains, which are very chronic. Saturn basically acts on legs and joints. The main element is calcium, phosphorus, sulfur. So, to sum up, it acts on body structures, causes back pain, teeth decay, bone decay, or arthritis. It causes cramps due to less calcium, osteoporosis, rickets, recurrent fractures, kidney function disorders, even dwarfism and decaying process is caused by Saturn. Now, seeing for Uranus. Uranus, the main elements are magnesium and manganese. This Uranus specifically acts on nervous system, causing spasms, cramps, irregular heartbeats, thrombosis, diabetes, insulin resistance. Specifically, insulin resistance. If a person has, you have to check for its Uranus. Even Parkinson's and myasthenia gravis. Such CNS symptoms are to be seen through Uranus in your natal chart. Then coming to Neptune. Neptune elements are potassium and zinc, vitamin C, A, and K. Basically, it is for collagen formation, protein synthesis, skin and ligament problems are seen through Neptune. Even delayed healings of wounds, bones, or burns, hemorrhages, for detoxification, kidney stones, prostate problem, or sterility also. It is its main uh, Neptune part to be seen in body's cerebrospinal fluid, pineal gland. So, if a problems related to cerebrospinal fluid or pineal gland, sure to be seen Neptune with all other factors. Then comes lymphatic system, all types of addictions, alcohol addictions, tobacco addictions. If such problem the patient is facing, you have to deal with the Neptune. Again comes the hallucination, schizophrenia, psychosis, all types of psychosis, maniacs, to be seen what the condition is of Neptune. Then comes for the Pluto. Pluto element is selenium and vitamin E. It deals with reproductive system, excretory system, colon, anus, and destructive cell changes. When there is a problem, if a person is facing problems for reproductive system or any colon cancers or anus related problems, and its cells go in destruction, then definitely you should see for Pluto changes or Pluto condition in the natal chart. Then the last is Rahu. It is for decaying processes majorly. Even the person has suicidal thoughts, decay of tooth, and all types of maniac, like in I said in Neptune's. So to sum up, Sun, Moon, Mercury, all planets are governing some or the other elements and body parts. When you deal with a chronic patient and you are studying its natal chart, definitely you should see the whole natal chart as a whole with the specific planet governing that suffering, what its intensity, and what will be the period as per your treatment should be planned, and you have to give the patient as per the indicated source. Thank you.